Hey everyone, welcome back to the final episode of our Java Brick Breaker tutorial. So far, we've built a fully working game with paddle movement, bouncing ball, bricks, scoring, and lives. In this final episode, we'll add simple sound effects and clean up a few small things to make the game feel polished. Let's finish strong. Import audio system, clip and audio input stream classes from sample package and file class from IO package. We'll add a simple beep or bounce sound whenever the ball hits the paddle, walls, or bricks. For Java, we can use the built-in clip class. Let's take a closer look at how our play sound method works. This simple method makes it easy to play a short sound effect, like our bounce sound, whenever we need it in the game. It starts with the try block, which is used to handle any errors that might happen while loading or playing the sound file. Inside the try block, the first line uses audiosystem.getAudioInputStream to read the sound file we pass in. This loads the WAV file from our project folder and prepares it for playback. Next, we create a new clip object using audiosystem.getClip method. A clip is like a small audio player that can load and play a sound effect. Then, we open the clip and connect it to the audio input stream, which basically loads the sound data into the clip's memory. Finally, we call clip.start to play the sound. This means that every time this method is called, the sound plays once immediately. If anything goes wrong during this process, like if the file is missing or can't be opened, the catch block will handle the error and print out the problem so we can see what went wrong. So in short, this play sound method lets us reuse the same simple code anywhere we need sound effects in our game, like when the ball hits the paddle or breaks a brick. It keeps our game code clean and makes adding sounds very easy. Download suitable sound files for your game and make sure file type WAV. Open your NetBeans project and move your downloaded files into the project's root directory. Call play sound methods in your collisions and pass sound file names to the methods. Now import Java JOptionPane class. We can use JOptionPane class to create GUI dialog boxes. Find command line output messages game over in U1. Replace command line outputs with JOptionPane class show message dialog method. Include parent parameter as this and include uDialog message with final score as second parameter of the method. Congratulations! You've completed the Brick Breaker game project using Java and NetBeans. You learned about swing, game loops, collision detection, scoring, and simple sound effects. Thank you for watching this series. Please like, share, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. See you next time.